Hello! This is just a quick tutorial slash guide on how you can add edge mask and eevee on cycles, as you can see on this fella here. I'll also show you how I made the circles here, how I extruded the circles by using a simple add-on. So, do not delete the cube.
What?
Subdivide it and apply. Subdivide it again. Edit mode and choose 4 faces. And right click. If you haven't installed Loop Tools, go to Edit, Add-ons, and search for Loop Tools and activate it. Right click and choose Circle. That's how easy you can do this. It's insane. Love it. So, I will now just make some hard edges. So we'll skip ahead. This is just to make the edge mask. Done. Okay, open a new tab and go to Shader. Add a material if you haven't already. Now we need to add a node. The link will be added. When you have downloaded it, just choose Append. Go to the file, open the node tree, and select Edge Detect. Search Edge Detect and just add it. It's great. Honestly, it's perfect. Problem. This won't work in eevee at all as it is. So what we need to do now is to create a texture mask. If I open up eevee, you'll see just a white ball. We need to add a mask that tell the same information. So add a diffuse. Then we need to unwrap the mesh. I will use a smart UV projection, but I recommend that you unwrap it by marking. This will fail in some degree for me now. Yeah, and the islands are too close. Need to fix that. Then go to the UVs and create a new image. Give it a name and choose a size for the file. Then we need to add the image in the material file. Select the name you just made and let it be. Do not connect it. We can now start to bake it. Click on the Bake tab. Bake type, choose Diffuse, and only color. Click Bake and wait till it's done. This may take some time. It's done. Now, it works fine in eevee. It works kinda. You can see here that you need to use a bit more care when you unwrap. Okay, let's see how it looks. Just duplicate the principal shader, add a mixed shader, then connect the shader and face value to the mask we just made. And here you can just have fun with it. Change the parameters. Metallic, roughness, colors. And that's it for the tutorial, or guide, on how you can add the mask, the edge mask, to your mesh. Just like I did with this little robot thingy.